Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dog winning, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dog winning, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dog winter. Or did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dog winter. It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, coming on shortly, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dog winter. It's feeling like a cold dog winter. It's feeling like a cold dog winter.
What?
It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dog winter, the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave.
Is that your number?
Yeah, I called you at 5:52. I'm not calling you.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the...
Well, viewers, we're on. We just had a technical hitch right at the start. It's typical, isn't it? Oh, well. Let's get into it. Chemical Captivity, the human collapse analysis when loneliness becomes relapse risk. Ring in if you want, and we'll see what we can do on the phone. If you got something you want to share to help someone. But have you ever been away from the substance, but still felt surrounded by the silence it left behind? The room's quiet. The phone doesn't ring. People who once used with you are gone. The people who you damaged do not fully trust you again. And suddenly sobriety feels less like freedom and more like exile. This is where loneliness becomes dangerous. Not because being alone is always harmful, but because addiction often trains the person to confuse company with captivity. The substance was there when others were not. The drinking circle was there. The using partner was there. The reckless relationship was there. The late night messages were there. The false intimacy was there. Now recovery has removed the chaos. But peace has not yet become familiar. The gap can feel unbearable. The mind begins romanticizing the old life. At least I had people. At least I had something to do. At least I felt wanted, or what I thought was wanted. At least I wasn't alone. At least I didn't feel like I was alone. But addiction companionship is not true companionship. It's shared collapse. People gathered around the same escape may feel close, but often they're only hiding beside each other. Loneliness exposes grief and exposes what the substance covered: grief, regret, shame, broken trust, emotional immaturity, sexual disorder, fear of ordinary life, fear of being known without intoxication. And this is why relapse often begins as a search for connection, not pleasure. A message is sent, the door reopens, an old contact replies, and the body remembers. The appetite wakes. The person calls it loneliness, relief, but captivity calls it opportunity. Spiritually, loneliness can become either a doorway back to bondage or a doorway into God's presence. The Holy Spirit not merely removes addiction, He begins rebuilding the capacity to remain present without panic, to sit in silence without surrendering, to feel grief without escaping, to desire connection without returning to corruption. And recovery must include holy companionship, honest community, and disciplined boundaries. Because isolation is not strength when it becomes secrecy. And secrecy is where relapse prepares its return. The substance may offer quick company, but it always charges with control, because true freedom learns to endure loneliness without letting loneliness choose the master. You keep well. I'm Pro Ricky.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already
Got my number if you
gone,
need to call.
Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made
Bye
it
for
right
now.
before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. You never changed, just wait for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold, dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. Or did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute